nakatilaw na dyan ko sa pagkaon dre sa Mexico. Leo, si Leo nagtrabaho ani guys, and prairie. Okay. Chili con carne?
Yeah.
Chili con carne.
We rent
Then, avocado guys. Avocado, then beef. Beef. Chara. Beef guys. And then this one is silicone carne. Okay. And this one is sibuyas. Sibuyas na guys. Okay. And avocado. So mga ang tanin nyo. Akong tilawan. Ako'y lain nga chips. Pero ako try ako. Ano? Ano? Sana all. Mga healthy food.
I already have them in a separate link. Okay.
Yes. Thank you, Leo.
Oh, you're welcome.
Leo, come here.
Patay. Soul.
They're in my back.
Oh.
Oh, here's Leo, guys.
Leo has a big heart.
Yeah, of course.
She said, of course.